How do you like the sound of making 10 USD dollars for each test you submit with no limitation on the test you can submit? Sounds good? This is what I'm going to show you guys today. A website is going to pay you 10 USD for submitting different tests and surveys. You put your results in and you're going to get paid about 10 USD for 20 minutes of worth of your time. Before we go ahead and start this video, as I told you and announced yesterday, today on this video and the video before from yesterday, I'm also having the golden dollar game for you guys. So if you just saw this video, the golden dollar, you need to find the golden dollar icon that is gonna pop up during this video. So make sure you watch out carefully the video, and when you see the golden dollar icon, just comment below the video where the minute you saw it, put your comment, and if you're a subscriber, you can win $1. If many of you do it, I'm gonna choose one of you and I'm gonna contact you through the comments and say that you are the winner, and I'm gonna contact you to pay you $1 for watching this video and finding the time to put the comment below. So with no further ado, guys, let's go ahead and start today's video. The website I'm gonna show you today is called trymyui.com. You can get the link from below, and what you're gonna be doing here is a website implies you're gonna become a tester for different companies that they would like to hire you to help to improve their products, their design, their website, their app. So they want to hire people like us to go on there and make some different trials, tests, playing around, and you're gonna be recording yourself, submitting feedback while you're doing this, and you're gonna be getting paid 10 USD for about 20 minutes of work. Now, how you can do this? You can either click here, become a tester, or click here, become a tester, and you're gonna be transferred to the next page. Let me show you how it works. Remote usability testing, how it works. Set up your test. Write a list of tasks you want users to perform. Users are gonna be us. Pick your target user. Choose from a wide array of demographic factors to find the right users. So this is available for all around the world, guys, because they want people from all around the world to be able to go ahead and test it. Watch the video, collect videos to hear what users are thinking, and see whether getting stuck on the app, on the design, on the store, and so on. You can click here to see an example how this works, but the most interesting for us is to click come to become a tester, and here it goes what we need to do. You get paid 10 USD for each test you take. A typical test lasts approximately 20 minutes. Sign up now and start making the web a more user-friendly place. Very common questions ask: what does a usability test consist of? Video featuring your screen, voice, use your website or app. You read and response to a short wrap-up survey. How many tests can I do? There is no limit on the number of tests you can do, but expect to get a few each week, which is really good. That is definitely not a lot of full-time work, just a way to make some extra few bucks. How will I get paid? We will send payments out every Friday through your PayPal account. Now, based on this one, guys, what I would like you to pay notice is this. When you sign up, make sure that all the payments are made to PayPal. So make sure you're using the same address for your PayPal account. So if you have an email that you're gonna register, make sure you register with the same email address you're gonna put for your PayPal account, because it's gonna make easier to identify. If you put a different email, then it's gonna be a confusion. It's gonna take a long time. You need to talk with support, so you're gonna be losing time, and it's gonna be a little bit frustrating. So just go ahead and put directly your PayPal account direct to this one. So this is what I want to show you guys today. A nice way you can make $10 for this test based on the availability and the demand they have from the companies. You're going to be receiving several or more tests per week, and you can submit for 20 minutes each, and you get some good money out of it. It's not going to make you rich. It's going to give you some good income. Now, if you want to see my #1 recommendation, as always, make sure you click the link below for my #1 recommendation of making passive income from the comfort of your house. And as always, the 3 things we love: free to use, video with proof, and money comes in once you set it up. Click it, nothing to lose, just give it a shot. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. I hope you find the golden dollar. Make sure you put the comment below and click the subscribe so you can participate on the competition from the golden dollar. And in a couple of days, I'm gonna allow a couple of days for each video with the golden dollar competition for the comments to come in, and I will choose a user. I will contact you through the comments. This is it. Start making some money. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye. Enjoy your day. Bye.